Welcome back to Cheap Tech Reviews. This your boy Rakim, man, and I'm here with another unboxing. Today we have the Samsung Galaxy S10. This is the Prism Black version. It's the unlocked version as well. Um, yeah, so let's get started with the unboxing. It's the 6 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of storage. I already set this phone up. I actually turned this phone on through Straight Talk. So I done already set it up, so it's really like, you know what I'm saying, it's really a little simple unboxing. You know, that's the Prism Black. Man, that's gorgeous. And I'm holding my phone. I actually don't have, you know what I'm saying, man, this is one gorgeous phone. This is one gorgeous device. It's really beautiful. And I'm sorry about this camera. This camera is trash that I'm using. I'm using the iPhone 6s Plus. It ain't really trash, but it ain't really good neither. So let me just like kind of turn it down some. Maybe, yeah, it look better with it turned down, cause you know this phone get really bright. This is a really beautiful phone. I done already set the phone up and all of that, you know, through Straight Talk. I don't have, let me see. I can turn my Wi-Fi on in my house. I got Wi-Fi, but I really don't even really need it on, to be honest with you, because why is it blink? Yeah, I'm gonna just turn it off because it really don't have to be on, to be honest with you. You know, it's really dope, man. And like I said, what comes inside the box, man, is like, it's just, you know, your transfer cable, your brick, and your wire, your USB cable, Type C. Some AKG headphones did come in the box as well, but I gave those away. And it also came with it came with a 128 gigabyte SD card as well that I gave away. So yeah, so because this phone does already have 128 gigabytes on board, so I'm good with that. And I also bought this little cheap little out of box case for it right here, you know, that I'm gonna put on. But it's not a real out of box, but it's good enough. It's the same. It's really the same thing. But yeah, man, so far, you know, I'm really liking it. I'm gonna be honest with you, man. Anybody down in the comment section, leave a comment, hit a like. If any one of y'all want to trade me for an unlocked 128 gigabyte iPhone XR, I had an iPhone XR, but I sold mine. I still got my iPhone XS Max as well, and I actually just got that phone unlocked today. So yeah, man, if anybody want to trade me for the I'll give you this S10. I go on the factory, reset it, and give you it's brand new. It's a brand new Samsung Galaxy S10. I didn't even take the little film off it, the fake screen protector that's on it. I didn't even take that off yet. If anybody got an iPhone XR 128 gigabytes, and I really prefer the red one, I mean, yo, I do the trade. I'll ship it to you and everything free of charge. But yeah, man, cause I'm really an iPhone guy anyway. So, but yeah, that's the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S10. This is not the Plus version. This is the 10. This is the smaller one. You know, we gotta wipe this down, cause boy, this thing get handprints real easily. But this is a really beautiful device. It's really beautiful. You know what I'm saying? Fingerprint work like real good. It's a really beautiful phone, man. I really like it. I mean, I'm gonna tell you something about Android versus iPhone, man. iPhone is just so much more solid when it comes to performance. To me, I don't think that this phone, I don't even think this phone outperforms the XR. to be honest with you. The iPhone XR, I don't think this phone outperforms it. Cause this phone, I mean that's just that Android, man. Like when you dealing with iPhones, man, and you don't have to worry about all that lagging, and then you get and this is a S10. This is supposed to be no lag whatsoever on this phone, but it has lag here and there when I'm opening apps and stuff. But maybe a software update will hook it up. This is running Pie, Android Pie. Man, it's been so long since I did a Android unboxing or anything. But I'm gonna go ahead on, and if I can't get a trade, I'm just gonna keep it, you know. But yeah, man, there you go, man. The Samsung Galaxy S10, man. Right now, man, these gonna be my 2 daily drivers. My XS Max. I gotta put my new SIM in it because I got this phone unlocked today. So I still got my 10s Max. So you know, I'm gonna go on and just rock out with, I guess, with the best Android phone right now and the best iPhone right now. Both of them, the latest and the greatest. So I'm just gonna rock with it. Keep your head up out there, y'all. Please hit that like and subscribe to my channel for more future videos. And I know I've been gone for a minute, y'all, but like I said, I may explain all of this to y'all in a minute, man. But please hit that like and subscribe to my channel, man. I'm gonna try to get my channel back up and running with and try to give y'all more content, you know, on a daily basis. So just hit that like and subscribe to my channel, man, and I'll be back with another one, man. Peace.